With honors, Best Friend Academic Excellence Awardee, Best in Dressmaking, Conduct Awardee. Binwa Shemida Ahira T. With honors, Best Friend Academic Excellence Awardee, Conduct Awardee, DSPC Eliminations Participant, News Writing English. Pancho Kelly Faith L. With honors, Best Friend Academic Excellence Awardee and Conduct Awardee. Punatwan King Davoni G. With honors, Best Friend Academic Excellence Awardee. Tanid Aryan H. With honors, Best Friend Academic Excellence Awardee, DSPC Elimination Participant in News Writing Filipino, District Level Javelin Throws, second place. Once again, for your information, our Best Friend Academic Excellence Awardees will receive medals as well as gift checks from our Honorable Congressman Joseph Tan. Congratulations to our academic awardees, but still we have students who will be awarded with non-academic awards. We have here Lahalaw SLCS Conduct Awardee. Blas Mining B, Division Level Athletics High Jump. De La Vega, Denver A, Area Level Volleyball Boys. Morales Russell C, Area Level Volleyball Boys. Lutrania Arsian May W, Municipal Level Athletics in the